Hi everyone, it's Laura Laws, and today I wanted to share my Epcot t-shirt that I made on my Cricut Joy. It is a brand new to me. I've only made about 3 projects, and I designed this in the Cricut app, and the fonts and the globe was all for free. So I'm going to do an iron-on for the shirt, so you mirror the design, and then you pick the Cricut Joy, which is connected through Bluetooth. And then I have Smart Iron-On as the material, and I chose a really pretty like blush pink. And when you insert your Smart Iron-On material, you want to make sure the shiny side is down. And it's pretty cool. It kind of measures the material for you and make sure that you have enough for the design that you plan on cutting. The first thing that I did is that I lint rolled the shirt. We have cats. And then get it wet and use the iron. And I will link the iron, which is not Cricut brand, below. I got this shirt for $5 from Target. And I will put in at the end, I also made a Quaharini shirt for Animal Kingdom Day at Disney. And I cut out the design. I needed a little extra light from my phone. And the Thank the Phoenicians part was difficult to see. It was very tiny. I find the weeding part of the Cricut projects the most satisfying. I don't know why. I really enjoy the weeding, and I can't believe how easy it is to do and how amazing the cutting is. Like in all the projects I've been doing, it's never pulled off a part it's not supposed to pull off. This design was a little difficult to figure out. I had to pull the design up to make sure I was pulling away the negative parts correctly. Placing this design was a little more difficult because I had to do it in 3 different sections with the Cricut Joy. I imagine with the bigger machines, it would all come out in one design and you wouldn't have to worry so much about spacing. But I think it turned out really well, and I always use a measuring tape to make sure it's centered. And the Thank the Phoenicians part was really tiny, and then the globe had so many spaces to pull out, so that did take a while. This was a big design to be using a small iron, but it worked out okay. I would just kind of press it down and hold it, and I went over it quite a few times to make sure each one had 35 seconds on the medium setting. And then I turned it over and did the back side. It was hard to get all the wrinkles out and make sure it was flat. And I think it's at 15 seconds for the back side. And now the moment of truth, which is always so exciting after it is completely cooled. The shirt is all done, and I'm so happy with it, how it turned out. Excuse the mess, we are still a little bit under construction. So I'm gonna figure out what to pair this with for Epcot. I got this cute little headband, and gonna start packing soon, but I'm really happy with it. I made this Disney shirt first. It says Quaharini, which means go well. It's what they say at the end of the safari ride at Animal Kingdom Park. And I put a little Mickey over the eye. It's another $5 shirt from Target. I'm so happy with the way it turned out, and I have another shirt that says Jumbo that I got off Etsy, and so now I have Quaharini as well. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you are not. Give this a like if you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for my Disney vlogs.